Hello everyone, today we're going to show you a highly anticipated product, the Nuroum OW10 Open Bluetooth headphones. Let's take a look at the unboxing experience of this headset. This is the packing box of OW10. Now, let's eagerly open it up and take a look at the earphones inside. First we can see a warranty card and an instruction manual. Then we got this pair of exquisite OW10 headphones. Also the USB magnetic charging cable. That's all of things we've got for OW10. The Nuroum OW10 adopt the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Moreover, it has a built-in high-performance noise reduction chip and let you immerse yourself in the pure music world. The earphones are very light and comfortable to wear without any obvious pressure. You will not feel uncomfortable when you wear it for a long time. Now we get to know Nuroum OW10 Open Bluetooth headphones together. Not only is it stylish and comfortable to wear, but it also has great sound quality and powerful features, making it the ideal companion for your everyday life. If you are interested in this headset, don't forget to follow our official website for more details. Thank you for watching, see you next time.